Friends, smartphones are part of our life now and we capture all our memories with it, be it videos or photos. But what if we accidentally delete them or someone else deletes them by mistake? Well, we will surely try to recover them. But then, how to recover lost files from Android phone? Well, that's exactly what I am going to share with you all in this video. Watch this video full and follow the method by downloading the application from the links in description and pinned comment to recover lost files from Android phone without root. Hey folks, myself Akhil from Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to recover deleted files from Android phone. The best thing, no root required, and it works on almost all Android phones. But before I start, if you are new to Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. So fine, let's begin to know how to recover deleted files from Android phone, and for this we will be using iToolab RecoverGo Android. iToolab RecoverGo Android is a reliable Android data recovery software that can recover deleted photos, videos, contacts, call logs, and over 11 plus file types. So no matter what type of data you have lost, you can recover it using iToolab RecoverGo Android. Not only this, it can restore deleted files from SD card as well. Simply preview and select data to recover. Plus no technical knowledge is required. Wow, that seems easy. Let's give it a try, and for that click on free download. It starts downloading, and once iToolab RecoverGo Android free download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, click on this to open iToolab RecoverGo Android. Here we have iToolab RecoverGo Android with all its features and capabilities. So now let's know how to recover lost files from Samsung phone. Click on recover deleted data from device. Now we will be required to connect our Android phone to PC. Connected it, now we need to open USB Debugging and toggle it on. Open settings and then scroll down to about phone. Here tap on software information and then tap 7 times on build number to enable developer mode. Now go back and you will see developer options. Tap on it to open it. From here toggle on USB Debugging. Now we will be required to allow USB Debugging. Tap on OK, and now our Samsung Galaxy Android phone will get connected. Here shows Samsung Galaxy F13 is connected. Now we get the option to select the type of data we want to recover. Let's not change anything and click on scan. It starts scanning for deleted data and may take some time. Once done, here comes a confirmation. 66 data scans completed. Please recover your data as soon as possible. We should recover deleted files as soon as possible so that it may not get overwritten. And if you don't find the file you are looking to recover, you should do a rescan. Click on OK, and here we have different type of deleted files that we can recover. We have photos, video, audio, documents. Well, let's try and recover deleted photos, and for that click on photo. Select it all by clicking on this. Next, click on recover. It starts recovering deleted files, and within few seconds, data gets recovered. 55 data recovered successfully. Click on OK, and this opens folder containing recovered photos. Browse, and here we have all the photos that are recovered. See, all our photos are recovered successfully and the images are of original quality. Wow, that's amazing. Same way you can also recover deleted files from Android phone using iToolab RecoverGo Android. Well, not only this, we also have iToolab RecoverGo WhatsApp that can be used to recover deleted WhatsApp data. And if you want to know how to recover deleted WhatsApp data, you can watch this video from my channel. Now you may ask, is the iToolab RecoverGo Android free to use? Well, it's not free. We will require plans to use it. So now let's talk about iToolab RecoverGo Android pricing plans. Here we are back on official website. Now click on see pricing. Here we have different pricing plans for RecoverGo Android for Windows. You can choose the plan as per your requirement. Now here is an exclusive limited time offer for you all. You can use this coupon code to get extra 30% discount. Wow, that's amazing. So what are you waiting for? Find the links in description and pin comment to try out iToolab RecoverGo Android to recover deleted files from Android phone without root. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, don't forget to like this video. Also share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. and if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Want to recover deleted WhatsApp messages from Android phone without backup? If yes, this video is for you. Looking to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone but official move to iOS not working for you? If yes, this video is for you.